all, how are you? Merry Christmas, or happy holidays, sorry, happy holidays. Or whatever you do at the end of the year. Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna be making a Sailormoon DIY. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's like a wall decor piece, art. I don't know. I'm just getting over being sick, so please ignore my mental state. So I only have ever attempted to make this one other time, which was actually a year ago. And this time around, I have some things that I want to try differently with it. Not that I regret the first one, but looking at it now, definitely things I would have done differently, which I'm going to do this time. I'm going to keep this intro as short as possible. I hope this is something you guys like. I definitely have more ideas similar to this that I'm going to try out. But yeah, here we go. Let's get into it.
So you can use whatever picture frame you have. I just happen to have this one. But here's everything that I used. Except for the lights in the frame, I got everything from Joanns. So I just looked up Sailormoon transformation just to get some inspiration, especially for the background. And this is the photo that I ended up using as inspiration. I love this collage because I feel like if you didn't want to do the brooch scene, you could do any of these. Alright, here I'm just taking out that back piece so we can paint it. I'll be honest, I kind of forgot to hit record when I first started painting it, but here it is. This is the bluish color that I chose. I kind of had to make it, so yeah, I can't really tell you what color it is. So I just pushed that off to the side to dry, but this is the brooch I decided to do. Honestly, it was only because it was the easiest one to copy. Alright, so we're just going to start off by painting these yellow. And once they dried, as you can see, I just took gold and painted all around the edges. That way the middle was yellow and everything else will be gold. By the way, the second one is kind of just as a backup in case the first one's kind of messed up, but the second one still does have a purpose to it. So I cleaned up all the edges and just made sure it was like to my liking, and now I'm going to start painting all the little pieces on it. Let's just be honest here, I don't know how to draw really, and I'm also not a painter. So, yeah, I don't know why I thought I could just freehand this. Some might say crescent moon, others might say banana, but tomato tomato, am I right? Okay, so we're gonna go back to this and put in more color to the background, just like the little inspiration picture. I just put a little bit of like a light pink and a purpley color. I also put a little bit of this light blue color too. I also decided to put some of these white dots. After that, I just took the other piece of the background and painted the middle white. Alright, so now we're gonna attach the lights. I ended up just gluing them on because I didn't know how else to do this. So I just tucked that underneath, that way I could have it sticking out of the frame. I'll be real with you, this gluing process was kind of ridiculous, but in the end it kind of worked out. I kind of like the way it came out, but just do whatever you feel is right or necessary. Like if you have a way that just seems better, do that totally. Since both the background pieces are done, I'm just going to stick it back inside the frame. Alright, so we're gonna glue on that second one, that extra one that you have. This is what we're gonna glue all the ribbon and tulle to. I started with the tulle. There's no real measurements, as you can see. I just kind of sort of measured out what length I wanted, and I did this with all the pieces. I just folded it like this and just pinched the end and glued it on. So I let all the tulle pieces dry before I started the ribbon. And as you can see, I just cut the ribbon how I did the tulle at just a length that I liked personally. I like it to like sit up a little, almost 3D like. As you can see, I also just kind of put it like ribbon tulle, ribbon tulle. I just like the way that looked. You can do it however you please. Now that the front is done, we're just gonna glue everything down in the back. Once that is all dry, now it is time to flip it back over. You guys, it is almost finished. We just gotta glue that piece down, and then it is complete. Look at her, she is a cutie. She's not perfect, but she is a queen. Also, I just kind of realized that I forgot to mention that you need to just attach the little light switch however you like. Alright guys, I hope you like that. Like it, oh my gosh, it came out so much better than I thought. I freaking love it. I love the first one I made. Like, I thought it was just like such a cool concept, and like obviously the first time, please ignore that.
The first time was definitely like, I definitely struggled because I had never tried to make something like this, and I was just kind of going off of an image I had in my head of what I wanted to do. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it works out for you guys. If you try it, like, I totally want to see, or if like you take this concept and like try it with a different character or something, like I would love to freaking see that, because I have some ideas too that like I want to try out that would be similar, but it would be like a different anime or just like a different character in general. But yeah, thank you for watching. All my socials will be down below, so yeah, follow me, subscribe, like this video. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great end of the year, whatever you do, whatever you celebrate. Happy holidays, or just like happy end of the year, almost new year. Yeah. Love you, bye.